These are seriously the most beautiful shelves I've ever seen. My name is Kate with WTI, and these floating shelves are from Fun Memories. They're made of solid elm wood, and they have the live edge finish on the side. Stunning. Each shelf measures 36 inches long, and it has a really generous depth of over 9 inches. So there's plenty of room to display anything you need. I have it here in my laundry room, and it feels super solid on the wall and holds a ton of stuff. I love that every shelf is different. It has that really beautiful wood grain throughout, super unique since obviously no piece of wood is the same. It can support up to 50 pounds. You don't see any of the hardware. It's all tucked away and hidden inside. So that means it genuinely looks like a floating shelf. Installation was a breeze, and it comes with the screws and anchors and everything. So if you want to really make a statement with the shelves on your wall, this is an excellent way to do it. They are seriously so beautiful, so well made, and really add that warmth to your space. So I would absolutely recommend these, and that's my point of view.